Hello islanders and global viewers. Here are our ingredients I will be using today. So let's make shrimp wonton soup. That's a quick and easy meal that we're making up for you today. A hint of Asian with Jamaican. We got some veggies, some Irish, and a scotch bonnet pepper. Stick around. Okay, first thing, let's add the Irish. We're gonna add the Irish now because after this we'll add the wonton. 5 minutes and we're adding the wonton. Okay, next I'm gonna add my wonton. Alright, and they cook for about 2 minutes and then add in my noodle. Scallion. Thyme. Cover for 2 minutes. Whoa, simmering nicely. Time to add our shrimp. Whoa, look at that. And the veggies. Adding my sausage too at this time, just for flavor. Okay, let's simmer for another 3 minutes. Whoa. Add butter. Adding a scotch bonnet pepper, yeah. Simmer for another minute and serve. Woohoo! Ooh la la la. Shrimp wonton soup, Jamaican style. If you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.